Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. In this video, we are going to talk about SQL courses. I know a lot of you have tried learning SQL, and in midway you give up because you have learned a lot of theories, but you haven't got the platform to actually practice the SQLs. So in this video, I'm just going to be telling you how you can achieve being a master in the SQL, and that too in just 15 days. So SQL is really important when you are preparing for the analyst role, basically data analyst, business intelligence analyst, operations analyst, and any kind of analyst, financial analyst, and the list is endless. So SQL is required everywhere, and SQL is one such language that is not dying at all. So database is required everywhere, and the knowledge of databases, even in the cloud platforms such as SAP or Salesforce, this language is still relevant. And if you know SQL, you will be able to know other kind of database languages as well. So minor syntax changes would occur, and you will be good to go with learning other SQL or other database languages. So SQL is really important. Having said that, if you are just going to enter into the industry, the knowledge and the mastery over SQL can get you ahead a lot, because I have known people who have just learned one skill and became a SQL developer or the analyst in a different kind of industry. So if you just know SQL, that is well and good, and you should know it really well. It's not like that you have just learned group by having statement. So there is a lot to explore over here as well. And in this video, I'm just going to be telling you that only without blabbering much over it. So let's get started. And yes, first thing is obviously you have to know the syntaxes, and you should know it from somewhere. And with boring textbook reading and things like that, I wouldn't prefer, because a lot of things are digital nowadays. So what you can do is just search for YouTube tutorials. There would be IntelliPath or Edureka, or be it Code with Harry. They have also created the entire playlist for SQL. So if you can learn just the theories, which are for 4 to 5 hours, that is well and good for the basic knowledge of SQL, so that you should get started immediately with the learning of SQL. So give that one day to this thing, and you are good with the theories of SQL if you don't know yet, because a lot of you already know it if you have started your journey in the analysis field. Next thing what you have to do is practice somewhere, but I should recommend using the method that make you interested in SQL. So what you have to do is just learn from the very basic. So go to the W3 schools and start learning from there. I'll show you. I'll even link the website W3 schools. So there all the syntaxes you have to practice, and that will make you memorize all the syntaxes that you have learned in the long form of video that you have watched for SQL. So do that. So here you are just basic beginner, and it would hardly take another day to learn the W3 resources and to practice on the W3 resources. Now the actual part comes is where to practice. Like, you know the syntaxes really well, you know how to which syntax to use when, you know the combinations and all of things in the SQL. But now the thing comes is, can you create a code on SQL? Can you exactly learn a SQL problem statement and create a query? Based on that, you can practice it on sqlpractice.com. So they would give you a problem statement, and therein you have to just create a SQL query. Okay, so there you're good, and that I'll link that as well in this video, that platform. And yes, you are now little bit more than a basic learner, little bit more than, not really good in the SQL. So next step would be to go for platforms now that have really hard queries and that are actually asked in the interviews. So what you have to do next is either go to HackerRank, is absolutely free, but there are paid version as well. Now at this point of time, you will have to pay some amount to get started, because if you really want to build a strong SQL skill, you should go for the courses that are paid in some way. So I would recommend going to HackerRank, and it does not cost a lot. But then if you want to upgrade yourself even better, I would recommend using DataCamp. I have personally done that, and I know they have provided me with the best resources there. And yeah, let's go into the computer screen and see what exactly I'm talking. So if you really want to advance yourself in the SQL querying, what I would recommend you to go through this course. And the best part of this course is they also provide the projects, in-hand projects. So anyone who lack the practicing of SQL, and they'll gonna be a master of it. And I personally have done this course before, and right now they are providing 50% sale over here. So I would really definitely recommend you. And this is for the SQL fundamental. You can continue the track. They have around 3,83,000 participants over here, and the fee is quite minimal, so anyone could adopt it. Next thing is introduction to SQL. You can also go to the take test, and you can practice the querying in between, so you don't have to visit any other platform over here. It's a one platform which can provide you everything. Intermediate SQL, like if you just want to start from the scratch, this platform offers everything. And this is intermediate SQL thing, so you can also take the test. There are selecting the data, filtering the data, aggregate functions, sorting and grouping. So every course has different agenda over here. And we have analyzing student mental health project. So if you do the project, I'm sure you would know most of the SQL, and you would be ahead of your peers and competitors. So joining data in SQL, introducing inner joins, outer joins. The best part of this course is they have a lot of practice sets, and practicing is actually really important. Subquerying, data manipulation in SQL, and here you go, nested queries, correlation queries, and common table expression. These are really important when you become an analyst, because most of us just know that analysis limits to grouping and having a statement, group by and having statement, and that's just not true. So you should go ahead with that as well. And PostgreSQL summary, start, and window functions. Chapters are introduction to window function, fetching, ranking, and paging. Pagination is very important concept over here. Aggregate window function and frames, beyond window functions. And so see the courses that contains everything that you need. So if you're really looking to create a future out of SQL development course, you can become a SQL developer just after this, or you can even become a data science expert or data analyst if you go through very credible courses that has a lot of information and a lot of knowledge that is actually required in the industry. So if you go through this, I'm sure there are high chances that they have actually good projects as well, and I have done that in past, so I'm suggesting you that. And yeah, that will be really fruitful for you. And if you want to go ahead with any kind of certification as well, I would recommend doing the SQL Associate certification with DataCamp. You can register for the certification, and yes, you can attach that certificate to your LinkedIn profile or your ATS resume, so that your resume should improve. And just prepare with that, and you are good to go. So the kind of roles that you can apply for with this one is a lot. And there are other free materials as well, wherein you can search for the HackerRank SQL courses. They are also really good. They will also build your SQL practicing skills. But if you really want to go ahead and pay some money, I would definitely recommend you going to DataCamp. They also have the free course material, just the questions are paid one, but they are really worth it. And HackerRank SQL has also a lot of SQL challenges that you can solve, and I have done that in the past. They are hard ones, so you can check that out as well. And I'm going to be linking every kind of details, every thing that you need as a beginner in the description box below. All the links are present. Just go ahead and search them out and do practice SQL, and I hope you find the job of your dreams really soon. Bye bye for now, until we meet next time. Take care.